In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently copy an n8n workflow, even one you might have seen in a video or another online resource, without needing to write any code. We'll explore two primary methods to achieve this, ensuring you can quickly get your desired workflow up and running. First, let's dive into the method using video transcripts and AI tools. Begin by locating the video that demonstrates the n8n workflow you'd like to replicate. Once you've found it, look for the transcript option. On platforms like YouTube, this is usually available under Show Transcript. You'll want to copy this entire text because it's crucial for the next steps. Once you have the transcript ready, you'll need an AI tool such as Claude. Paste the copied transcript into this tool and prompt it to generate a functional n8n workflow based on the text you provided. Make sure you ask for a JSON file representation, as this is the format we'll be working with. After you receive the JSON file from the AI tool, switch over to your n8n environment. Here, you'll create a new workflow. Use the Import from File option to upload the JSON you just generated. This will populate your workspace with the workflow. Now, although this imported workflow should be mostly complete, it's important to refine and configure it to your liking. This process includes adjusting any settings as necessary, adding your personal credentials, and testing the workflow to ensure it functions as intended. Now, let's discuss the second method, which involves using screenshots and AI tools. Start by capturing a clear and detailed screenshot of the n8n workflow you'd like to mimic. Clear screenshots are essential since they provide the AI with the information needed to generate an accurate workflow. Next, upload this screenshot to an AI tool that can analyze images and generate code. Examples include n8n, n8n, or possibly Make AI, which has been mentioned in online discussions like those on LinkedIn. These tools will interpret the image and output the workflow in a structured format, commonly JSON. Once you have the JSON output from the AI, return to your n8n instance. Here, you can paste the copied JSON directly onto your canvas or import it as a file, much like we did in the first method. This will create your workflow on the n8n canvas. The final steps involve connecting your accounts to the relevant nodes within the workflow. This is important because it ensures the workflow is tailored to your specific data and processes. Once everything is connected, go ahead and run the workflow to see it in action. By following these steps, you should be able to seamlessly replicate and implement n8n workflows from external sources without needing any coding skills. This not only saves time, but also opens up new possibilities for automation in your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.